Hello students, in this video we will discuss about some medicinal leaves. Leaves of many plants and trees are used in the treatment of various diseases. It means why we are giving the name as a medicinal leaves, because these leaves are used to the treatment of a particular disease. That's why they are collectively called the medicinal leaves. What are the names and what is the picture that has given in this slide? What is the very first leaf which is used for a particular disease, and what is the name of that? It has given the first one. The first one has given it leaves are helpful in the treatment of bronchitis, cardiac disorder, and asthma. So what is the name of that leaves? The leaves which shown into the picture are known as drumstick. The answer is drumstick is there. Second one has given to you, its leaves are useful in the treatment of common cold. This is the picture has shown of the leaves, and what it has mentioned, its leaves are useful in the treatment of common cold. The name of that leaves are called synonyms. The name is synonym. The third one has given to you, its leaves are useful in the treatment of toothache, and it is very common nut. The name of the leaves is known to be as cashew. The name of the leaves are known to be as a cashew. Fourth one, its leaves are used to cure worms because it contain polyphenols. Its leaves are used to cure worms because it contains polyphenol. What is the name of that leaves? The name of that leaves is called beetle. This is the leaves of beetles, and they are mostly used for the cure of worms. Fifth one has given to you another leaves which is helpful for cure another type of disease, or you can say that another type of disease that is called the night blindness. So what has mentioned here is, its leaves are helpful in the treatment of night blindness. Night blindness means the person who are not able to see in the night time, they are considered to be as a night blindness. That means whenever there is no light, no presence of light is there, that person is not very difficult for that person to see the objects clearly. So that is called the night blindness. And what is the name of the leaves which is useful? And the name is mango. That is the leaf of mango which is useful to treat the night blindness. Next picture has shown to you, and it's mentioned here is, its leaves are useful in the treatment of ringworms and eczema. That is, eczema is also a skin related, and ringworms is also skin related problem. So what is the name of that leaves which is useful in the treatment of ringworms and eczema? This is a picture of this. This is the picture, and the name of that leaves which is used is balsam. The name of that is, its name is called balsam. Next leaves has given to us, that is used for the another type treatment of another type of disease. It mentioned here is, its leaves are useful in the treatment of rheumatic arthritis. that is also a bone related problem. It is called rheumatic arthritis. And what is the name of that leaves which is used in that? Called sesame. That is, the name is sesame. Next picture has shown to you, and what is the use of that leaf? It has given to us, its leaves are useful in the treatment of cough and diarrhea. That means when there is a cough and diarrhea is there, then these leaves are very, very useful for us. And what is the name of that leaves? That is called bitter gourd. That is called bitter gourd. Next leaves which has given to us and shows the picture to us and identify us, that has given to us. This is the picture. Its leaves are useful in the treating eczema. So what are the name of this leaves? That is called eucalyptus. The name of that leaves are called eucalyptus. Eucalyptus are used to treating the eczema disease. That is also related to the skin related problem. Next has given to you, that is the picture number 10. It has given to you, this is the picture, and what has suggested to us to identify this? Its leaves are useful in treating mumps. What is the name of that leaves? The name of that leaves are called mustard leaves. This is the leaves are called mustard leaves. So these are the names of the different leaves, and these are leaves are used for the medicinal purpose. In that also we have given a help box to identify these leaves. Once again, repeat to you what are the answers. The very first picture which has shown to us, that is the example of leaves which is called drumstick. Second one is known to as cinnamon. Third one is the answer of third one is cashew. Fourth one is known to be as beetle. Fifth one is known to be as mango. Sixth one is known to be as balsam. Seventh one is called sesame. Eighth one is called bitter gourd. Ninth one is called eucalyptus. And last, which is the number 10, that is called the mustard leaves. So collectively all these leaves have got some medicinal property. That's why these leaves are also used as a medicine. That's why the name of collectively these leaves are called the medicinal leaves, and they are very effective to cure the diseases, and various diseases is treated by the different variety of these medicinal leaves. So this is the knowledge about the medicinal leaves. This is the knowledge about the medicinal leaves. I hope you understand this. And in next video I'll upgrade to more knowledge regarding that. Thank you very much.